What's the meaning of crewman? Crewman. Crewman.
Crewman. Crewman. A crewman is a member of a group working together to operate a ship, aircraft, or other vehicle. They are responsible for various tasks related to the maintenance and operation of the vehicle, such as navigation, communication, and maintenance of equipment. Crewman can also refer to members of a film or television production crew who are responsible for various technical aspects of production, such as lighting, sound, and camera operation. Overall, a crewman is an essential member of a team working together towards a common goal.